BJP organized Gram Sabha for 2021 to 22 at Longneet. Extended meeting of Hamran Mandal Congress Committee at Dongkamukam. APHLC organized torchlight rally at Dongmukak town. Three wild elephants allocated to death in Bogarighat. Meeting of BJP Sakti Kendra at Bakalia. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. The Bharatiya Janata Party organized Gram Sabha for 2021 to 22 with the theme Sabki Yochna, Sabki Vikas at VDC Bhavan in Longneet on Wednesday. Singhasan VDC Chairman Ken Singh Bey presided over the meeting, which was attended by BLCC Chairman Lawrence Rongpi, Lumbajong Development Block Junior Engineer Manik Tiso, Gram Sevak Utpal Medhi, Gaon Buras, Sarkari Gaon Buras, and villagers of several villages. Ken Singh Bey informed the public that the purpose of organizing the Gram Sabha was to inform them to the several government development schemes, including PMAYG and others meant for the welfare of the public for the financial year 2021 to 22 and to ensure that the scheme reached the beneficiaries. Bey also said that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has instructed the block development officials of holding similar event in all the constituency across the district. Debaram Kathar from Deep, along with Dilip Hanse from Manja for 365 News India.
Rongame mate kham sobha ame tidoponlo na bangso rongame mate kham sobha lake 2021 11 22 aningkan aphan sayang deng kopi sikiteng konsumer toward benjenglok community fishery land development samna thaksi kaprek always pension benjenglok rong ara katung kaching thunai central scheme la state scheme ice scheme anpata council sector ice scheme amokha kedeng poni kanban kalason tidoponlo.
Hamran Mandal Congress Committee held its extended meeting at the party's office in Dongkamukam on Wednesday. Hamran Mandal Congress Committee President Paul Hanse presided over the meeting, which was attended by WKADC Secretary Gulab Pikram Sapi, Secretary Harendra Kro, Cultural Chairperson Amputeron P, Hamran Mandal Youth President Bapuram Tiso, and several other party leaders, workers, and supporters. Altogether, 56 individuals from 16 households from Harlong Sora, Telihor, Deori Tiniali, Harlong Chebat, and there are Arlok villages belonging to different political parties joined the Congress party during the meeting. The party leaders expressed coincidence of victory in the coming Assam Assembly election. Kelvin Terang from Dongkamukam for 365 News India. The Havarkehat LAC of the All Party Hills Leader Conference organized a torchlight rally at Dongmukak town on Wednesday evening. The party were demanding the immediate creations of autonomous state as per Article 244A of the Constitution, immediate making of law as per paragraph under 6th schedule to the Constitution, deletions of non-tribal names from council's water list. The party opposed CAA, the Panchayati Raj system in 6 schedule areas, which it has called as non-tribal. The party also demanded the immediate recognitions of traditional village council of tribe and creations of customary law court. Anand Bey from Wuthungaji for 365 News India.
Sir, Bongohena বিষয়ে ক'ব নেকি?
বংগহেনাটো নিটো আমি আগৰ পৰা কৈ আছো। বংগহেনা আছে কাৰ্বি অসমত বুলি, অকল অসমত নহয়, নৰ্থ ইষ্টত চবতে আছে। আমাৰ মানুহ নাজানে, সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ সেইটোহে প্ৰব্লেম। নজনাটোহে আমাৰ দুৰ্বলতা। সেইকাৰণে বংগসেনাটো আছেই আৰু 2016 চনত 52 জন বংগসেনা সাৰেণ্ডাৰ কৰা হৈছিল ডিফু ডিচি ওচৰত। সেইকাৰণে এই বংগসেনাটোহে আমাৰ আছুসকলৰ অফিচটো যে জ্বলাই দিছিল সেই আপাৰ আছাম ফালে আৰু অন্য ঠাইতো সেইবিলাক কৰি আছিল তেওঁলোকে। আৰু কাটো পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্টত পাছ কৰাবলৈ এই বংগসেনাহে কৰিছিল।
A female and 2 male wild elephants were electrocuted to death in Bogarikhat village in West Karbi Anglong on Monday night. A herd of around 50 elephants have been roaming in the vicinity of human settlement in the area since the last few months. The villagers have been constantly terrorized by the herd who have been attacking humans and raiding fields, destroying paddy and crops. According to the villagers, the herd was raiding Bogarikhat village under Kheroni Forest Range on Monday night when 3 of them came with a high-voltage live wire which electrocuted the 3 jumbos to death. The villagers immediately informed the forest department officials who rushed to the spot and cremated the jumbos. Joyram Kathar from Kheroni for 365 News India.
ৰাতিপুৱা প্ৰায় 4টামান বজাত খবৰ পালোঁ আমি খবৰ পোৱাৰ পিছত আমি ষ্টাফ ৰিচিভ কৰিলোঁ ইয়াত ৰিচিভ তেওঁলোকে আহিলে অহাৰ পিছত এতিয়া চাই মেলি আমাক ডেঞ্চৰ পিছত খবৰ দিছে তাৰপিছত আমি সেই মৰ্মে আহিছোঁ এতিয়া তাৰপিছত আমাৰ প্ৰাথমিক যিখিনি কাম আছে আমি পোষ্টমৰ্টেম কৰিব লাগিব সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ লগতে অনাৰেবল ভেটেৰিনেৰী ডক্টৰকো লৈ আহিছে তাৰপিছত এতিয়া আমাৰ পোষ্টমৰ্টেম কামখিনি প্ৰায় শেষ হৈ গৈছে খালি ইয়াৰ মৃত্যুৰ কাৰণটো পোষ্টমৰ্টেমতে আমি ক'ব পাৰিম এতিয়া আমি ডিটেইলছ ক'ব নোৱাৰিম এই বিষয়ে তাৰপিছত এই যে চিটুৱেশ্যনবিলাক আমি নোট কৰি লৈছোঁ সেইখিনি কোনখিনি কিহৰ কাৰণে কি হৈছে এইটো আমি পিছত হেৰি কৰিম তাৰপিছত আমি আমাৰ যিটো Kheroni থানাৰ ভাৰপ্ৰাপ্ত মহোদয়ক আমি হেৰি কৰি আছোঁ কণ্টেক্ট
The Bharatiya Janata Party Bokalia Hindi School Sakti Kendra under Langphir Mandal Committee held a meeting at Bokalia on Wednesday. The meeting was presided over by Lal Babu Prasad, convener Sakti Kendra Bokalia Hindi School, EKADC SC Morcha Vice President Pramod Hazarika, BJP LMC President Junakilek KP, Secretary Mampi Singha, BJMM LMC Secretary Mira Sorgwari Hazarika, Bokalia Municipal Board Chairman Hamsing Teron, BJP Kisan Morcha LMC President Kihai Timung, President and Secretaries of polling stations 58, 60, 61, 62, 63 and several other party leaders and Karyakartas attended the meeting. Adu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.